Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Virtual Skills and I am Latifulbari with you. Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a YouTube channel from your smartphone, and I will also show you how to upload videos and optimize it properly with a mobile phone. In fact, I will show you the must needed apps to manage a YouTube channel from your mobile phone in an effective way. Well, let's start the actual work. Now open your YouTube app. Click on this profile icon. Here, click on Settings. Well, there should be an account option from where you will be able to create a brand new YouTube channel. But sadly, the app is missing this option. I mean, you can't create a YouTube channel from this mobile app. Even if you log in your YouTube account from a browser, let's see what happens. Go to Settings like before. This time you will get the account option. But sadly, you won't find the channel creating option here, because you are still in a mobile friendly site. Look at the URL, it's m.youtube.com, and you should know the M indicates mobile here. Anyways, then what should we do? You need to open the desktop friendly site in your mobile browser, just like youtube.com. Make sure you don't switch to mobile option. Now click on this profile icon. Here, one more thing. If you are facing any problem to access youtube.com from a mobile browser, I mean in case if it automatically redirects to m.youtube.com, then you will find here the desktop option. Just click on it. Now click on Settings like before. Now you can see the account option is different, right? Here, click on Add or Manage your channel. Now click on this plus sign. Create a new channel. Here, give a name to your YouTube channel and click on Create. Well, now you can see the newly created YouTube channel is also appeared in your mobile app. Let's access the new one. Here you can see the channel name. Okay, now let's upload a video. Click on this plus sign and here click on Upload a video. Now select the video from your mobile gallery and it's being uploaded. It's simple, but you can't optimize it effectively from here. Yes, you need another app and I will show you that. But you need this app to upload your videos. For now, I am just giving a title here. Click Next and click on Upload. We are done. Now close this app. The next app you needed is called YT Studio. This app is also provided by YouTube and you will find this in the App Store. Also, I will attach a link in the video description for your convenience. You need to just install it like any other app. Now open it. And here you can see the video I uploaded is still in processing. Now click on this video and click on this edit icon. Now you can see the add tags option is appeared and you can optimize your video more effectively. This tag option is missing from our traditional YouTube app. Anyways, now click on advanced settings. From here you can change your video category. This important option was also missing there. You can also control some other things like comments, ratings, embedding, which are not possible from that YouTube app. Also, you can see the video analytics from this app. So it's a must-have app for any YouTuber who want to manage their YouTube channel from mobile phone. But one thing you need to know, you can't upload your video from this app. Anyways, I will show you another two must-have apps to manage your YouTube channel professionally. The first one is Canva. It's a very easy to use and drag and drop designing app. You can create your channel logo, YouTube channel art, I mean the cover pic of YouTube channel. And the most importantly, you can create beautiful thumbnails for your videos. It's very simple app and very easy to use. But if you want me to create a new tutorial on Canva designing app, let me know in the comment section. Anyways, the last app that I recommend you for your YouTube channel is a mobile video editing app. There are many video editing apps in the App Store, but I personally recommend you the KineMaster as a beginner. If you want me to give a tutorial on KineMaster video editing app, then let me know in the comment section. So guys, if you want to run a YouTube channel from your mobile phone, then you need to consider these 4 apps. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and stay tuned.